Guys, it's Aaron from Zenkraft. Today I'll be walking you through creating a shipments by carrier report. So the first thing we need to do is launch Service Cloud. Once Service Cloud opens, we'll click Reports on the navigation bar, then swing over to New Report. So this will show all the different report types that Salesforce has to offer, but what we want is shipments with order. Select that and click Continue. Now on this screen you'll see the option to add groups, columns, and filters. I'm going to remove these columns for the sake of the demonstration. And we want to add shipment number, account name, and order number. Now that we've added those three columns, we want to group by carrier. We also want to adjust our filters, so we want it to be all shipments instead of my shipments. So just click all shipments and apply. Now you're ready to generate your report. So just click Save and Run here. Right here we can name our report. We're going to name it Shipments by Carrier. That'll generate a unique name, and then at the bottom we have the option to decide who can view the report in your organization. I'm just going to leave it as private reports for now and click Save. Now you've generated your report. Just one last thing before we're done, add a chart. That just makes it easier for your individuals in your organization to understand. So it defaults to a bar graph, but if you wanted a different type of chart, you just hit chart properties here and choose from bar, column, line, donut, funnel, or scatter plot.